Need to join or host online meetings with Google Meet. Whether you're using it for work, school, or catching up with friends, Google Meet makes video conferencing simple and reliable. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Google Meet in 2026. So let's get started. First, open your Google Meet desktop or mobile app if you prefer. You can also use the web browser and go to Google Meet. Then sign in with your Google account if you're not already signed in. Next, choose whether you want to start a new meeting or join an existing one. To join, enter the meeting code or paste the meeting link provided by the host. When you're ready, click Join Now to enter the meeting. Once inside, you'll see the meeting controls along the bottom of the screen. If you're creating a meeting, Google Meet will generate a unique meeting link that you can share with others. I mean, these controls let you manage your microphone, camera, captions, and screen sharing. During the meeting, you can mute or unmute your microphone, turn your camera on or off, share your screen, enable captions if they're available, and send messages in the meeting chat. These tools help you communicate and collaborate more effectively. When you're finished, simply click the red Leave Call button to exit the meeting. If you're the meeting organizer, the meeting will continue unless you choose to end it for everyone when that option is available. So, you've successfully learned the basics of using Google Meet. Remember, before entering the meeting, review your camera and microphone settings. Turn your camera or microphone on or off as needed, and make sure the correct devices are selected. Take a quick look at the preview to confirm everything is working properly, and that's how to use Google Meet. Whether you're hosting presentations, joining meetings, or collaborating with your team, Google Meet provides all the essential tools you need. I mean, spending a few minutes exploring the meeting controls will make your future meetings much smoother. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.